In this video, I'll show you how to use Kraken for beginners. First, go to the official Kraken website and click on Sign Up to create your account using your email and a strong password. Verify your email by clicking the link sent to your inbox. Next, complete the identity verification process by uploading your ID and following the on-screen instructions. Once approved, your account will be fully activated. After that, log into your dashboard and click on Deposit. Choose your payment method, such as bank transfer, and follow the steps to add funds to your account. Now go to the Buy Crypto or Trade section. Select a cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, enter the amount you want to purchase, and confirm the transaction. Next, go to your account settings and enable two-factor authentication to keep your account secure. After that, if you want to withdraw, click on Withdraw, choose your method, enter the correct details, and confirm the request. Finally, start exploring the platform and practice with small amounts until you feel comfortable. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use Kraken for beginners. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.